lovely people. How are you? Make sure you leave in the comments how your day is going. Mine's doing great because I love this subscription. You read from my title, I am unboxing the Bolzano Mother's Day subscription. This is something brand new to Bolzano. So if you don't know, this is a pocketbook handbag. I don't know how you would say it. I still say pocketbook, but I guess people nowadays are saying handbag subscription. It is a monthly subscription, and this is something different. So this is for like if you want to give this as a gift to your mother, or it doesn't really have to be your mother, but you know, somebody that you care about. And this is for Mother's Day. So this is a little bit early so that you guys can see if you want to do it. I'm going to read up a little bit on it too. Now, I do get this sent for review every month. So let me read a little bit about it. I will leave a link down below if you want to check it out. All right, so it says it's designed to be a gift. You can choose 3, 6, or 12 months for $43.95 a month. And I know you get some jewelry in here and you get some accessories as well as the handbag. It says the first month includes gift packaging, specialty tags, and jewelry she can cherish for years to come. Each month, Mom will receive the VIP treatment since this subscription includes all the subscriptions Bolzano has to offer. Jewelry, handbags, and cosmetics in one subscription. Oh, so you even get makeup. And it says when you purchase this subscription for 3 months or more, you receive a free leather wallet. All you need to do is search for FREEWALLET in the search box and add it to your cart along with your Mother's Day subscription. All right, I'll leave all that information again down in the description box so you can read it for yourself. All right, so this is exciting. So this is like a subscription that you want to give for a couple months for a Mother's Day gift to say, here, Mom, or whoever, your aunt, your grandmother, whoever you feel like is a mother figure, or a friend, or even yourself, if you want to give a gift for like a couple months. All right, so that's what it looks like. Such a little cute little flower right there. All right, and what does this say? It says, Happy Mother's Day. Just for you, a special gift that brings a smile and reminds you how special you are each month. Oh, all right. So, let's see. I always have trouble opening up these things. All right, so this is, you know, you can keep this, of course, you know. Let's see. All right, let's open her up. All right, so I'm going to pull out the bags. All right, so this is what I got. Now, you do get a survey every month. It gives you a profile so you can get whatever you like or what you think your mother or whoever you want to give this gift to would like. I guess put the option that I also like book bags. So a lot of times you get pocketbooks. So it has to be, so if you don't want a book bag, if you don't think your mother would like a book bag, you can get like the pocketbooks too. So that's what it looks like. And it always has the Bolzano little thingamajiggy. All right, so let's open her up and see what it looks like, because I've never got a backpack yet. All right, so let's just take this out. All right, so this is all right. So you have like a little zipper right there. Let's see how deep that is. Let's see. This is pretty deep, okay? And then you have the backpack itself. And then right here you have like little things you could put in there, like if you want to put your phone or what have you. And then right here, I have like a little pocket in there. That's where I would probably put my phone at, so it's easy to get to it. So there we go, a nice backpack. All right, so that's cute. Now, I know my mother, well, my mother's on hospice, so she doesn't really go for handbags. But I would definitely give this to my daughter because she does definitely enjoy that. All right, so then we have this right here. And what else is in here? And we have, okay, so we have some jewelry, and then we got something in this bag. Oh, I'm dropping things. All right, so let's see. Let me go up a little closer. This is the jewelry here. Let's see what's in here. All right, so the first thing we have is this little, looks like a watch, but it's a bracelet. It's cute. I kind of like this. At first I didn't know, but so it has like right here, you can move it. Has the O has a little diamond, a ring, and then it has the mom. And oh my God, how cute. So you can make this bigger or smaller, but it looks like a watch. I actually like that. All right, so we got that. And then we have a little necklace. So here we go. So here's the necklace. And this says mom on it. How cute. So it's silver. I like that a lot. That is so cute. I would definitely wear this. I like that. All right, so we have that. I mean, honestly, I really do like that. All right, so let's see what's in here. So we have this velvet bag. Okay. Now, I don't know what video will go up first. I made a glossy box video, and I said, because I did get a new camera, and I said I would show it at the end of the video, but I forgot. But I'm going to make a separate video on the camera. All right. So this right here, so we have the little scarf here. Okay, so you can wear these two ways. You can either wear, all right, so this is what the scarf looks like right there. Really pretty. You can either wear it or you can make that, you can decorate your little book bag with this, and that's probably what I would do right here. I'll probably give this to my daughter, but I would decorate it a little bit, you know, with the scarf. Okay. So that's pretty. They go together. And then we have this. That's really pretty. This. Okay. So the first thing we have is silicone socks. What the heck is that? What the silicone foot socks can do. The foot sole is usually ignored, closely related to the season. The skin becomes harder, thicker, and dry. The result can be heel and foot pain. Well, this is true. Solve it easily and effectively. The silicone foot socks not only keep moisture, but will also have great antimicrobial effect. Enjoy soft and beautiful skin. All right, so I guess you just put this on your feet, and it's supposed to make your skin soft. Let's check this puppy out. Oh my God, I was gonna say it feels like silicone. That's what it is. So that's cute. Let's see. Pull this out. Let's see if it fits my foot. Yeah, I guess it does. It's a little big. Yeah, it fits. All right. I can see like your feet from this would probably sweat, you know, and bring moisture to your feet and make it soft. I can definitely see it doing that. But I'm definitely going to give this a go and try it out. All right. Then we have this mirror, and that's good. So it matches the pocketbook to keep your mirror in there. I like that. And then we have from the Body Shop. This is a Moringa body butter right there. Let's see. It smells like a flower. I guess it's, I mean, it's okay. It's not my favorite scent, but I love getting body butter. Matter of fact, I'm going to put a little bit on. I love the Body Shop's body butter. And I think any woman or a male or anybody would love the body butter from Body Shop. I really, really enjoy it. All right, so that's good. I think this is a really good subscription. And last but not least, we have this. What is this? BB Concealer right there. So I'm not going to open that because I don't typically wear this. And then you would have this here. And you can, inside has like little organizers in right there, and then this matches this, so you put that in for like a little mirror, and then this is what the little chain looks like. So there we go. So let's see everything that we got. So we have this like cosmetics bag, and you've got the body butter, the BB cream, and the silicone feet socks that was in there. I want to make sure that's everything. Then you got the jewelry, which I really do like this because it's different. And then we got the necklace, which I think is so adorable. And then we got the scarf and the book bag. And remember, you will put out a profile of what colors you like, what you don't like. I believe there's like 52 questions. What is the style? What type of scarves do you like? Do you like this kind? Do you like, you know, all different things. So just if you see this and think, oh, I don't know about that. Like I said, there's other things that you can do the profile. But that's everything. Let me know down in the comments below, what do you think of this subscription? I think it's a great subscription to kind of like give to somebody for a few months for them to feel a little special. And I think Mother's Day is perfect for that. I know a lot of us, like I just lost my grandmother February 24th, and she was like a second mother. But I know a lot of people, you know, they don't have their mother around, so, you know, you give it to a girlfriend or, you know, an aunt or somebody that you think would really like that subscription. I think it's a great subscription. It's $43 a month. And it's a little pricey, but you do get a lot of things in there, especially to get a good pocketbook every month. I think that's great. All right, so that's everything. Let me know in the comments down below. Do you like it? Do you think it's worth it? Let me know all the tea, what you really think about it. Yeah, I do, but let me know what you think. Please give this video a thumbs up, a like, because it does help me out. Like this video. I said in the last one, if you're ready for a 30K subscriber giveaway, which is coming very soon. So make sure that you are subscribed so you can get in that giveaway. And that's everything, guys. Let me know how your day is going. And as always, I leave videos right here if you want to watch more of me. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.